Hey guys, this is Bye Bye Money and welcome to my live trading journal with live commentary, scalping the E-mini using only one single price action setup, the two-legged pullback. If you know what the two-legged pullback is, simply a setup that looks like this. First pullback, first entry, second pullback, second entry, and we like to enter into the second entry right here. Also, we can count it this way, A, B, C, and the next A leg, we like to enter right here. Also, second entry. And we like to find this setup in key areas such as moving averages, trend lines, support resistance levels, and channels. For instance, if I grab this setup here, this two-legged pullback, and I bring it over to my chart, we can see that we have a two-legged pullback right here. First pullback, first entry, second pullback, and second entry right off the 20 EMA off a strong downtrend. And setups like these are very high probable trades. Yeah, if you'd like to know more information about the setup, how to count legs, how to find second entries, go ahead and check out the description below, and there'll be playlists going over the basics on how to find two-legged pullbacks. The way I like to trade is using minimal indicators. I like to look at price action as much as possible. And so on my screen, you can see that I have a 20 EMA, which is a solid blue line, 240 SMA, which is this dashed line, and also two other indicators. If you look at the chart, there are numbers above and below the candles, and this is an indicator that automatically counts legs and identifies two-legged pullbacks. And it does so with a simple color scheme. Dark red and dark green numbers are two-legged pullbacks, and you can see here there's a dark red one showing you that this is a two-legged pullback, and when you find it near a key entry point such as this 20 EMA, you can use that information to make a decision for your trading. These lines, these green and red lines, are automatically created by another indicator, trading range indicator, and this indicator finds trading ranges purely based off price action. And so if you'd like to know more information about these indicators, you can check out the official website at www.twoleggedpullback.com. And that's it for the introduction. So stick around for my live trades. In this video, I do take a loss on a 4-point stop loss, and yeah, you can see if I'm able to recover throughout the rest of the day to find good setups and see if that's enough to cover up that loss and maybe possibly even make a profit. And so stick around to see those trades, and as always, happy trading and God bless. Two-legged pullback forming off the 20 EMA. Terrible signal bar at the moment with a strong downtrend. Question is this a reversal for a trap? Potentially could be strong bull bar. Could be a potential range at 50% level. As you can see here, we're at the 50% level of this range. Coming back in. Terrible signal bar, not interested in that. This is a terrible signal bar. If this forms a good signal bar, I'll be interested. Priming up my order. It's a limit order here. Again, terrible signal bar, it's a doji. When this bear bar looks like this, bullish, it's a little bit concerning. Small pullback here. Tails went higher and higher. Gonna consider this here. this. Breaks below, coming up with retracement. Top of this trend range could cause an issue, could cause support here. Top of this could cause support, making it to reverse, making this a trap. I may reverse my position if this is a trap. See here, still has that trigger at the 2 legged pullback. Alright. I feel pretty confident now. 20 EMA acting as resistance. Coming to a small retracement here. Almost filled me immediately. Still feel okay here. This reverses. Keep my 4-point stop loss. Being patient here. Being very patient. Being extremely patient here. Could skunk this, but gonna be patient. People are buying it at the top of this trading range, as you guys can see. Acting as support now. I'm pretty confident we're gonna get this. Trying to reverse on me. Be patient here. That's not what you want to see. May go long here. Oof. May go long here. This could be a trap. H4 failure. Terrible. Skunking this trade, if we can get it. If we can get skunk. Absolutely terrible. Right at the top of that trading range was, I think, a support, as it did here 2 times. I should be careful of that next time. Top of trading ranges. Need to be careful of that. So stop me out. Very high chance of stopping out here. We got 3 bull bars in a row. Going right up to my stop loss. Alright. It's a shame. This could be a major trend reversal here, and we can just start going up here. Looking to go long now. If you see something like this, you want to go long. Any opportunity to go long? Didn't see really a strong support here other than the 50% mark of this trading range. Coming back down. Strong bear bar. Or strong bear channel, or bear trend here. Just absolutely reversing on a dime. This was a good signal here, saying it'll reverse. Should wait for the trap. Strong bull bar here. Boy oh boy. I'll draw it out for you. It's a second entry short because you have this A, B, C, A, but also A, B, C, A fails to make a point and starts to begin to reverse. So you have both a failed second entry long and a second entry short all in one spot. Easy to see with the indicator though, just a dark red number with a magenta box. Simple as that. It's one of my favorite setups, and after a failed breakout, I feel good about this one. Double position here. Not worried about this at all. Still not worried. Even with a bull bar like this, not worried. Alright, so let this ride. Maybe because if I let it ride, I might not pay as much attention to it. I might just scalp out here my full position. Okay, so let this ride, and I'm pretty certain we're gonna get this point here. Even if it looks like this, that reversal actually doesn't bother me because of the current bear trend we are in. Failed breakout, double top, we're in downtrend. Almost certain we can get a point here. I could straight up triple my position here. I feel very safe. Perhaps I could get a little bit more here. Swing one position here. I'll keep it. I'll give myself one runner here. Feel me? Let's go, baby. I have one runner here. Not sure if we'll hit it. Seems choppy. Yeah, that's why I only made one runner. I should have scalped the whole thing out. But yeah. Double my position. I could have tripled my position. I felt safe. Okay, even if it reversed like this, I was just so confident in the setup here. I felt okay. As long as you're in good setups, you know. As like for this one, I thought it was a good setup. It reversed. Unfortunate, but. You know, what can you do? You think it's a good setup, you have to enter it. Two-legged pullback. A, B, C. A. Alright, scalped out. See if we get a good runner here. It's a two-legged pullback off the 20 MA, off the bottom of this trading range. Easy scalp, but runner stopped out. Higher low setup. Retest the top of this trading range. Okay, I'm in. Higher low, double bottom, bottom trading range, scalped out, two runners here, see how high these can go. Top of the trading range, I'll come out with one, top of the trading range. See how high this one can go. Keeping this runner here. Hard fought battle. We were able to make our 500 today, even with one loss here. Might get stopped out here. Let's protect our profits from this range. Double top here. Might try to stop me out here. Typically there are no freebies when it comes to the market. Alright, I'm out. Oh boy, hard day today with the beginning and the loss in the beginning, but yeah, I mean, you can stick to the rules and come out positive 500 even. So tough day, I would say, but yeah, you'll get one of these every once in a while. I'm going to look over this trade and see why it failed here. It looked like a good setup because we had a strong downtrend. I would say the setup in itself could have prevented us from going short here. Before this candle was made, the trading range indicator had the trading range right here, and as you can see, it bounced off perfectly and could not close beneath it. Not until this candle was created, then we moved the trading range indicator up here. I did mention that this could have provided some support here while going live into the trade, but yeah, I saw this candle and I thought it was bearish, but actually it's a doji. It's a one tick body doji, and it's followed by two other ones. So there's three dojis in a row, which should have made me hesitate. Also strong bull bar ending near its high. The two, also the bear leg actually ending bullish, almost near its high, one tick away from its high. And you do have a strong bounce here. Good signal bar here, pretty good signal bar here with some follow through. The bear leg here failed to make a point, and yeah, there's a lot of bullish bullishness in this small little leg here that should have stopped me, but the main big thing was I couldn't find a strong support in this area. A strong support in this area that would prevent me thinking that this would reverse right here on a dime. The best support I could think of is between these two ranges. We have about 50% retracement. About a 50% retracement right here, and that's kind of exactly where it bounced. So I could have used a 50% on this. There was also a 50% retracement or a hit on the trading range here from this, and this. Also 50% here. And so we had the 50% marks kind of giving some support here, but to me that still surprises me that we would essentially just reverse on a dime right there. Yeah, I mean, strong downtrend. Yeah, I don't know. Other than the formation within this two-legged pullback itself, with the strong bull bars and 3 dojis in a row, stopping me from entering this. Maybe correct cash management could have got me out of this trade, but yeah, that's a tough one in my opinion. This seems like a pretty good way to go, except these 3 dojis. I think if I would have to yeah, I would say probably the biggest mistake was not realizing these are 3 doji. I just saw this red body. I was like, okay, this is bearish. 20 EMA acting as resistance, but yeah, obviously the price action was telling me something else here. So yeah, can't win them all. I thought it was a good setup, and I took it at the time, and I thought it was good. So yeah, that's how it goes sometimes. But the important thing is stick to the rules. Do not go on tilt. You do not take bad trades after that. You stick to it, and at the end, still came out on top, green, and so can't complain about that.